So, good afternoon everyone. I am Jomer Miano and today we will be discussing the problem set B number 43. The question is find the reasonable 6, 7, and 8 terms of the following sequences. So letter A 1, 3, 4, 7, and 11. So letter B 0, 1, 4, 12, and 29. So, we will apply the Polya's 4 step to solve this problem. So, step 1, understand the problem. There are two sequences. Letter A, 1, 3, 4, 7, and 11. And letter B, 0, 1, 4, 12, 29. In the first sequence, there is a logical pattern. So, napansin naman natin na meron siyang pattern. And in the second sequence, there is no logical pattern. So, step 2, devise a plan. So, yung plano natin is, first, study the difference between the numbers. Then, second, find the pattern of the sequence. Then, find the 6th, 7th, and 8th term of the sequences given. Step 3, carry out the plan. So, siya nga po pala, additional information lang tong gagawin kong pagsosolve dahil meron ding ginawang video si Cindy Balete about din sa ganitong problem. So, panoorin nyo na lang kung paano yung strategy niya at ako gumawa na lang ako ng ibang solution kung paano siya isolve. So, dito, we just analyze the pattern of the difference between the numbers. So, find the difference between the numbers 1, 3, 4, 7, and 11. And the difference between the numbers are 2, 1, 3, 4. As you can see, the sum of two consecutive terms is equal to the next term. So, meron na tayong pattern kaya madali na lang natin siyang isolve. At alam ko namang kaya nyo nang kunin agad yung sagot dito kahit wala pang solution. Wala nang solution. Pero kahit ganon, bigyan pa rin natin ng solution. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. And 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. And 11 plus 18 is equal to 29. 18 plus 29 is equal to 47. At yung, therefore, the 6 and 7 and 8 terms are 18, 29, and 47. So, nagets po kung paano kunin. So, alam ko nagets nyo na yan dahil madali pa lang to. So, next na po tayo sa letter B. Sa letter B naman tayo. Medyo mas mahirap lang to kaysa sa letter A. Kasi ito wala pa siyang something logical pattern. So dito, we should find the difference between the numbers until you find a pattern. So the difference between the numbers are first difference 1, 3, 7, 8, and 17. So napansin nyo, wala pa rin siyang something logical pattern. Kaya punta tayo sa pangalawang difference, which is 2, 5, and 9. At kaya ng nauna, wala pa rin siyang something logical pattern. So pumunta tayo sa pangatlong difference. So yung nakuha natin is 3 and 4. Ayun, meron na tayong konting pattern. So 3, 4. So the next number in the sequence are 5, 6, and 7. So yung series na nabuo natin ay 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then, go back to the second difference, which is 2, 5, and 9. Tapos, pagsamahin lang natin sila para makabuo tayo ng panibagong series. So, sundan lang natin to. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 plus 6 is equal to 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. So, yung series na nabuo natin ay 2, 5, 9, 14, 20, and 27. Then, go back to the first difference, which is 1, 3, 8, and 17. So, gawin lang natin yung gaya ng kanina. Pagsamahin lang natin yung nakuha nating series kanina sa first difference na 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 8, and 17. So, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 plus 14 is equal to 31 plus 20 is equal to 51 plus 27 is equal to 78. So, the series na nabuo natin ay 1, 3, 8, 17, 31, and 51. So, nakakasunod pa rin po ba tayo? So, punta ulit tayo sa original numbers, which is yung given numbers na 0, 1, 4, 12, and 29. So, gaya kanina is pagsamahin lang natin yung series na nabuo natin sa original numbers. So, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 plus 17 is equal to 29 plus 31 is equal to 60 plus 51 is equal to 111 plus 78 is equal to 189. So, dito is nabuo na natin yung final na series. So, therefore, the sixth term is equal to 60. So, yung pang-anim nating series is from the first term 0, second term 4, 1, third term 4, fourth term 12, fifth term is 29, sixth term is yung 60, and the seventh term is 111, and the eighth term is 189. And actually, ganito lang siya kadali. Gaya ng sa ginawa ni Cindy. Medyo Ginawa ko lang siyang complicated ng konti, pero parehas rin ang sagot na makukuha. Medyo ginulo-gulo ko lang yung akin, pero parehas din sila. So, step 4 na po tayo. Look back. We learned that we recognize pattern to determine the cause and effect. And the easiest way to work out the pattern is to study the difference of the numbers between them until you find the pattern. So, another example po tayo. Katulad pa rin to ng problem set B number 43. So, the question is, find the reasonable 6, 7, and 8 term of the following sequence. So, the given is 0, 2, 6, 12, and 20. And using the Polya's fourth step, we will answer this problem. Step 1, understand the problem. So, given 0, 2, 6, 12, and 20. In this problem, kung napapansin nyo, ay meron ng pattern. Kaya madali na lang natin itong isosolve. So, step 2, devise a plan. So, given pa rin, 0, 2, 6, 12, and 20. Study the difference between the numbers. So, yun yung plano natin. Then, find a pattern of the sequence. Then, find the 6th, 7th, and 8th term of the sequences given. So, step 3, carry out the plan. So, gaya kanina, kunin pa rin natin yung differences between the numbers. And the difference between the numbers are 2, 4, 6, and 8. At kung mapapansin natin is meron na siyang pattern, which is the series at positive, which is the series of positive even numbers. And yung next na number ay 10, 12, and 14. So, yung mabubuo nating series ay 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Then, pagsamahin lang natin sila, kung gaya ng ginawa natin kanina. So, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, plus 4 is equal to 6, plus 6 is equal to 12, plus 8 is equal to 20, plus 10 is equal to 30, plus 12 is equal to 42, then plus 14 is equal to 56. So, yung final series natin is yun, 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, and 56. Therefore, yung 6th term natin ay 30, then the 7th term is 42, and the 8th term is 56. So, step 4 na po tayo. Look back. We'll learn that we recognize patterns to determine the cause and effect. And the easiest way to work out the pattern is to study the difference of the numbers between them until you find a pattern. So, thank you. Yun lamang po yung report ko. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. And God bless. And have a nice weekend. Thank you.